Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to exit from a WhatsApp group or delete WhatsApp group. For exit from WhatsApp group, open a WhatsApp, open group, tap to group name, scroll down and tap to exit group. Here you can mute group or exit from group. Tap exit group. After exiting from group, you can delete group. For delete WhatsApp group, open group, tap to group name, scroll down and tap to delete group. Tap delete group. That's all friends. Please like and share this video if you have answer for your questions and tap subscribe button. Have a good time.